Hello, magandang araw po sa lahat dyan. For today's video mga paps, mga pare ko, I am going to show you how to clean this helmet using the Easy Works mga pare ko. So, sa makikita nyo po, this is the newest product na nagba-viral ngayon. Ito po ang Easy Works. So, for this cleaning session po, hindi po tayo gamit ng sabon or any perfumes para po linisin tong helmet na to. We're going to use this product only. We're going to use this Easy product. So if you want to see how the product works, stay tuned. And sa mga taong hindi pa nakakapag-subscribe sa akin channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell para ma-notify kayo for the next video. Alright. So right now, hinintay ko na lang mapuno tong balde ng tubig para we can rinse it directly sa water after applying the Easy Works Degreaser. So first off, tatanggalin ko so first I am going to remove all the linings sa helmet na to para we can clean it thoroughly. So we are going to use as well the Easy Degreaser product. So all you do is just spray this with our degreaser, just here. And all you do is just leave it for around 5 to 15 minutes, then rinse it with water. So let's see. So ito po yung last na lining dito po sa helmet. So this will be the last thing na sprayhan natin ng degreaser. So cotton friendly po siya, meaning to say hindi po siya nakakapag make ng any side effect po sa or kumbaga dili malubad ang imuhang panapton or color sa lining. So atong suwayan kung tinuod ba yun unsa ka tinuod ni nga product, right? So naa na ta diri, naa natong mga linings diri. So ato siyang pabuto mga kadyot lang, mga 5 minutes siguro, 5 to 10 minutes, 10 minutes maximum na siya nga time. But let's say 5 to 10 minutes lang. Ato lang sa ko anon. Ito lang siya na ato sa standby, no? Then after na is focus na punta diri sa helmet. So itong buhaton is ato lang siyang sprayhan. Mag-spray lang po tayo dito sa helmet. And let's leave it about 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. At aside po dito is makakuha po siya ng mga natitira mga adhesive po. Remember if you have like a sticker tas tinanggal nyo at merong maliit na mga adhesive na natitira. So this degreaser will also help remove those sticky adhesive sa surface. So let's see if this will actually works. Right, so after 5 minutes, we will have our linings here. So we'll just have to rinse it with water and see if it works. Right. So, tapos na po natin linisin yung linings gamit ng water. At sa nakikita nyo po, ito po, ganito po ka dumi yung amount ng dumi na nakukuha gamit ng degreaser. So, I think this is actually effective, no? So, actually, regularly wash my linings ng aking helmet like 2 to 3 after 2 to 3 weeks. So kasi I also use yung yung Kobe, yung panglinis ng helmet. Tas right after that I'll also clean my linings para merong magandang amoy or merong magandang hygiene, meron tayong hygiene sa ating mga gamit. So right now I'm just gonna rinse everything out. I'm gonna exchange or change clean water, then rinse it back again. And after that we'll jump into the helmet and see if there are changes. Alright, by the way guys, don't forget to use this microfiber na cloth para maglinis kayo sa helmet, para hindi siya magkagasgas. So again, tapos na po yung 10 minutes at nag-extend ako for 15 to 20 minutes kasi merong mga adhesive na grabe yung baga, I mean mabaga na adhesive, so kailangan siya ng more time para ma-absorb nito yung degreaser. So tapos na po, and we're going to rinse this one with water and together with the other linings, and let's see the result. I'm going to pop up the before applying degreaser and after applying this product. Alright, so tapos na po tayong mag-wash ng ating helmet using the degreaser, the Easy Works degreaser. So nakikita naman natin merong slight change po sa graphics ng aking helmet. So it's quite lighter now, not di parehas sa yung previous na picture niya. So meron changes, yung adhesive po dito ay natanggal na rin po. So but all you need is to have plenty of time, like 20 minutes, para you just have to stand it by, just let the degreaser absorb the adhesive. Then all you need to do is to use any cloth or the microfiber cloth para ma-remove yung adhesive. So everything now is all good. So balik na lang natin siya sa lahat sa dati, and we're going just to dry up everything. And again, I believe that's all. And this is just a very affordable degreaser. You can also apply this one in your motorcycle or any greasy parts in your motorcycle. I hope this video helps you a lot, and nakakatulong po itong video na to. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also click the notification bell para ma-notify kayo for the next video. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Always take good care. Cheers.